In this video, you will learn how to send auto-generated ML by both back-end language PHP and Django. First PHP and then Django. First open cpanel. If you don't have an email account, then at first create it. Go to File Manager and Public HTML and create mail.php. Type email where you want to send. Now type subject. Now type message. Now type your website email address. If email sent successfully, then print email sent successful. Save and close. Now send email by Django. This is Django project. This is Django project URL settings. This is landing page URL, link with app URL. Now go to app. Now go to app URL. Now create URL settings for mail function. Import mail function from views. Go to views file. Now create a functions for send email. Now type subject of email. Now type message for email. Now type your website email address. Now type email address where you want to send. Restart the Python app. Thanks for watching video. Like, share, subscribe our channel.